How to create an Instagram account. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can create an Instagram account. So to create an Instagram account, the first thing to do is either go to your web browser or to download the Instagram app. So after downloading the Instagram app and you launch the app, you click on, you'll see two options, sign in. It's two option, log in or sign in. So ensure you click on sign in. So after clicking on signing in, you'll be brought to your sign in page automatically. And there are two ways to sign in. You can sign in either through your phone or through your email. So for me, I'll be making use of my email. So just go ahead and select email. After selecting email, on the emails page, you have to select the kind of email it is. Is it Gmail? Is it Hotmail? And then go ahead and type out the email address that you would like to make use of. So I'm just going to do that straight away. So after typing it out, just go ahead and click on next. Click on the next button, and then you'll be taken to the next page. A confirmation code will be sent to your Gmail. So the next thing to do is to go to your Gmail, copy the confirmation code, and paste it in here. After pasting it, click on next, and then the page would load, and the next will be for you. You'll be taken to the next page where you would have to enter in your name as well as your password. And so after doing that, click on the next button and you'll be taken to the next page. On this page, you'll be asked to add your birthday. So just go ahead and add your birthday. Note that this is just an example, an exemplary account. All right. So select your date of birth, your day, the month, as well as the year. And so once you're done, click on next and you'll be taken to the next page. And on this page, you'll be asked to create a username. You must note that your username must be unique. If not, it won't be allowed. So I'll just make use of this. And so if it's allowed, you'll see a green tick by the right side of the username. Then click on next and your account will be created. All right. So currently, I'm having an internet connection issue. That's why it is not connecting. But for you, once you click on next, your account will be created, and then you can go ahead to make use of your Instagram account. So this is how you to go about it. This is how you can create an Instagram account. It is very simple. Just follow through the processes, and you are good to go. Thanks for watching.